Hello friends, today I am going to show you an SWR power meter which covers HF as well as 6 meter frequencies. The make and model number of the meter is Diamond SX100. It measures SWR for frequencies ranging from 1.6 MHz to 60 MHz, and it can also measure RF power ranging up to 3000 watts. The front panel consists of a meter scale, 3 selector switches, a push button and a calibration knob. The first selector switch is for range, in which you can select the power range to 30 watt, 300 watt and 3000 watt. The middle switch is a function switch in which you can make selection as to power or calibration or SWR. The last switch is a power switch which has 3 positions, that is off, forward and reflected. There is a blue push button on the upper middle part of the panel which is used to make selection between average power or PEP power. Next to blue push button is the calibration knob which is used to calibrate the meter to measure SWR on various frequencies. The rear panel consists of 2 SO239 sockets. The left hand side socket is meant for connecting to the antenna and the right hand side socket is connected to transmitter. There is a DC socket which takes in 13.8 volt DC supply. When the third selector switch, that is power switch, is in off position, it turns off the display light and meter so it would not give RF power output readings. In order to measure RF power output, the power switch is to be in forward position. The function switch is to be in power position and the range switch is to be kept in appropriate position. In order to measure SWR, put the function switch to calibration position and give RF power. The needle will deflect. Now rotate the calibration knob until the deflection is full scale. Now put the function switch to SWR position and give input RF power. It would now show the SWR reading.